A fourth capability, a technology and innovation management practice, activity that you might think about is the exploitation. You decided, you developed the technology, now it is within the company. You need to think about the ways of exploiting this particular technological know-how that is inherent in the company now. It includes commercialization because the adoption of technology is not straightforward. Many technologies struggle, especially the more radical the technology you have, the more difficult it is to reach out to the customers and then try to diffuse it. That's why it is critical to understand the stages of exploitation, which makes you wonder and try to get ready by commercialization activities in the organization, by taking into the consideration of ways of how to commercialize through the production, distribution of the technology, or joint commercialization activities with alliances, joint ventures, or even perhaps in some cases, patenting and licensing your technology, which is going to bring so much revenues, because you once have the technology ready at the company, you need to find ways of making the most out of it, right? Bring results by bringing value in the organization to your investments. And another thing that to be considered with respect to the commercialization is how you do the technology transfer. It's not so easy once you have your technology. The more radical, the harder it is, as we said before. So you need to think about where you are going to send your technology once it is sold. Is it going to be from a company to company, from a non-profit organization to a company, from your own research organization, perhaps a manufacturing department that you will establish, or you will send to a manufacturing organization that will be the one that will do the production. So it's important to consider how you will handle this transfer. It is also not straightforward, right? The creator has different capabilities set, and the technology users will have different. So you need to figure out how to make it proper so that the highest productivity is achieved in terms of you as an organization and also the other parties that may be involved in its commercialization.